Okay, this is my last test for the night. It improves every more you work on it. So right now I'm looking at the voltage across the generator coils. Like 30 volts. I have to have it in AC, of course. And the amps across the generator coils. There's 90 amps. And I have to have it in AC. And you know what happened is I felt a pretty big zing going through my fingers when I have it at this setting. I'm just going to hold them together with my fingers. Here we go. There's that 90 milliamps, you can see it. 90 milliamps. So I have 30 volts, 90 milliamps, volts and amps, measured separately. Input's 12.1 still, and I knocked the input down pretty good. Let's do that again. I'm holding the camera in my right hand and then trying to do things with my left hand, so hold on a sec. Okay, so remember I'm making 30 volts AC, meter says, 90 milliamps crowbarring the generator coils. And now I'm only drawing 270 milliamps. That's a lot better than 520. And what I've done is adjusted the timing here. And now I'm going to short this out. It doesn't speed up. And it takes the draw up to 0.35. So it's holding steady, it's not dropping. So 0.36 loaded coils. The other thing I have now is this generator rotor is trailing the motor coil rotor, and I have it so the edge of the magnet here is right down the center of the magnet here. That's the offset. The edge, the front edge, because it's trailing, is at the center of this one. That's what I have now. And that's pretty good. I wish I had north-south magnets, but you know what this says is in AC, so it's going to be a real funny AC what's happening here. So, but at least I have numbers. Like I was saying, anybody else doing this, like Ray's is doing it, you can look at what I got, compare with what he's got, just meters. Later on I'll put it on a scope, figure out the real power. The main thing is I'm trying to beat Lenz's law. So here's it shorted out. And it doesn't slow. David Bowling was saying you don't really want it to speed up because it keeps speeding up and eventually it'll take it out of its sweet spot, more or less, like the Thane-Hines blade lens effect. And you don't want it lugging, but where it's just stable and it doesn't do anything is according to David Bowling, that's like what you want. And that makes sense. Keep it stable. So I need to play around probably another 20 or 30 more variations of the offset in the back. I'm going to have to do before I'm kind of confident what the best offset is with this particular motor with the 16 magnets all facing the same polarity. And with something with north-south magnets, it's going to be another ball of wax. Also, if I put a steering diode on this, on the drain of the MOSFET and fill a capacitor, I might be able to reduce this way down. When I was in Germany, I have the video, I can't get it out of my computer, I wish I could. I was at 330 milliamps with something like this. It was a single rotor and coils on each side, kind of like Romero UK did. And when I hooked up the steering diode and a capacitor, it dropped all the way down to 50 milliamps. And so that's something else I want to do. This draw is too much. So I guess that's good enough for today. And thanks for watching.